do it. Is it recording now? So that laser's going to go. Right, is it red? The lasers are on. Rob? Yeah. Is it red now? Is it red? Is it red? Is it red? Just have to look a glimpse at my contour. Rob. Yeah, thank you. One more after 5. Oh wait, 1.
Is there 5 in there?
There's 3.
3?
No, it's not.
There is.
Yeah, 3 of
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who's that guy?
Same.
Just down there, on the right.
Up in the air, maybe. Come on, hit him.
Gonna get that in case he runs round. Make a movement. I'll get you back if you go.
Easy, mate.
Sorry! Right, we're going to peek over now. I weren't, I was just seeing if he was there. If you shoot me. I have no idea. Oh Christ! Hit! Sorry mate. Got me in the end.
I got hit.
Rob, can you get my gas out of my bag? Rob, can you get my gas out of my bag please?
Where is it?
In my bag.
What one?
Big one.
Yeah.
Thank you, just drop it.
Yeah, I've got it back in.
Alright, go. Huh? You're changing team?
Yeah, so I can get you.
She can get me.
No one.
I love that.
Come on, Red, go!
Go shot in the face.
Whoa!
One more red, one more blue!
He's changing team, Rob.
What?
He's changing team.
Why?
To shoot me.
Huh?
To shoot me.
Who's changing team?
The guy who just said bye.
Two more red, go!
Can you put that in my bag, please?
Just run it.
That's a problem on a 6-shot hole. It'd still be cool.
Sorry for shooting you, Rob.
Just run it. I'll get shot at.
If you think you're trying to bowl,
I shot the guy right in the hand.
All 3 shots.
One red, go! Kill them all, Ian. All 3 shots, contact shot.
I don't know what I've been told. Red team are going to win this.
2 red, go!
Oh.
Hey! You versus Luke every time. Wait!
Hit.
Yeah.
Don't know.
Two blues, two reds.
Don't know if I'm getting them or not. They've got better positions though, haven't they? What?
You shot me before.
No, I had three. My gun didn't fire because the gas was going wrong, and it had a free burst fire on him. Bang!
Shot him twice.
One red, go. One blue, go. Did you get hit then, Darren? Did he get hit?
You did now.
Yeah, Darren's gone.
Bang! Bang! Surrender roll on the last guy. That's it. They're all dead.
Reset.
Woo! Woo! Killed them all.
Get back in there.
Killed them all. Killed them all, Rob. Right. Let's go again. Woo!
I think you got to hit the lad's head. Yeah. On your garter. On your garter. I think that's it. Reset. Reset.
Oh, it's a good position. I can see them coming out their spawn.
Everyone out.
Right, the best. Rob, where is he? Right, you know where I was? You see where I was?
No.
But that's the best position to get, 'cause you can see straight in their spawn when they're coming out. Right,
Whereabouts is it?
well, let me go first.
I'll follow you.
I'm trying to get there first.
I'll stay
But I
on.
need people to get the right hand side for me. Yeah, can you
I'll
do
cover
that?
your right whilst you
Just
run.
storm the right hand side while I get there.
I like that.
Three reds, three blues, go. Quick. Not quick, you're going to get that.
Hit! I got him as well.
Yeah, I've got shot down.
Ah!
Why are we missing?
Ah! Got one.
Two blues, go.
But I only got one because I suicided myself. This is fun as hell.
Yeah. Loads better than
Huh?
last time. It was like 1v1 the whole time. That's not fun.
I know the best position on this.
Yeah.
Right where they come out. The opposite wall.
Shot top of the head.
Rob, follow me.
Yeah, you get used to it.
Rob, if you follow me and back me up.
One red. Those dead players leaving. That's it, it's clear.
Woo! And again. Awesome. Wiped them all out again. That's fun.
Two reds, two blues, go.
Go. Come on. One more. Get the position I was in, Rob. Come on. One more red. Come on.
In front of you, all sides.
One more red. One more red. One more red. Oh, bollocks.
Cheeky bastard.
Rob, don't let him put it forward, Rob. Don't let him come forward.
Did you enjoy that one?
Oh, yeah.
Got the 14 one.
Am I still red? Is it still red?
How was it one round?
Is it still red?
Yeah, ready.
Oh, you can put it on the corner and put me in the wrist.
Is Rob dead? Oh,
Let's
bollocks.
go for this guy. Like.
Two red. Two red.
Two more blues.
What? That's suicide.
Oh well, Liam, you're going to be the first one to do suicide.
That's suicide.
Right, shield.
Two reds, go.
Oh, we're into the third side.
Hit! It's got two though. I've got you both, didn't I?
I think you belted it there.
Yeah, I think I got you both. Right, cheers. Oh! Oh!
Sorry though.
Oh!
Only fire in the nuts.
Oh! Fuck you!
Only glad you got the red soaked in there.
Oh! The teammate got me the balls. No! What?
You're going to have one more game, AZ.
Ready?
All of us?
Yeah.
Oh, I want to come over first.
Ready?
Don't reckon I'll get there in time. Rob, go where I was. Opposite wall.
Go, go, go!
Sorry, Rob! Hit! That's the best place to go where Rob I went. I got one.
Hey.
I got Rob.
There's only two people in the building. I've got them both.
All right, let's
I've
go.
got
Right, let's go back down, guys. Get a cup of tea, Rian. There, put game.
Woohoo!
There it is, isn't it?
How can I skim you? What?
Mate, mine was an accident.
That's what shooting me before.
Today,
Payback.